Greetings, Korbanth fans. I'm going to show you how to work with the MPP Basic. This is the one-button Vader saber. When you first get it, you have this back end that comes off. It screws on and off easier if you loosen the clamp lever. When you first open it up, take this battery out and put it in its charger and charge it. It's a USB charger, so plug this into your laptop or computer, any USB port, and charge your battery overnight. Once it's charged, make sure you pay attention to the plus and minus. There's a plus and minus on the battery, so put it in the correct way, and this is how you turn it on.
Obi-Wan is here. The Force is with him.
So now you can put this back on, but let me tell you about this back end. One side has 7 holes and one side has 6. That's because it's reversible. The longer strips are the Empire Strikes Back versions. You get 6. And the shorter ones, you have 7 New Hope. So if you want to use the New Hope style, you put them on that and then put this end cap on the other side. So it's reversible depending on which grips you want to put on. If you do mess them up, you can peel them up and put them back on, but try to do it just once. So this goes back on, this screws on, close this little clamp lever here. Now, the only button that works on this is this button right here. The way that you turn off the saber is 2 ways. You can push the button and hold it. Now hold it. Or you can twist it. Twisting it like this turns it off. This right here is your blade retention. So when you tighten this, a little pin comes down, or the screw holds the blade in. So undo it a little bit, give it a little bit of space. You can then put the blade in. If you want to test it, you can. And then you can use this to twist it and make sure it's holding in. There you go. Can't think of anything more to tell you on this saber. It's just the MPP Basic. It's a one-button hilt, which is different than our MPP 2.5. It's a little bit more of the collector level saber with 2 buttons and more features and more parts, where this is more the budget-minded saber owner who doesn't need something fancy, just wants something simple and a little lower in cost. Take care and have a great day.